This is the famous Tolminu fountain. If you drink its water, you live forever. Yeah, seriously, I drank it and now I'm 500 years old.
You don't look 500 years old. I don't believe that.
Don't believe it then. Over there's a lovely bicycle park.
Do you know your sports?
Yeah?
How? How? Why'd you do that?
I don't know. Look, over there's the most lovely mountain in Slovenia.
What's it called?
Gora,
What's that mean?
most beautiful mountain. This is the nicest university in Slovenia. Only the best of the best can go in it. So how's your stay been in Slovenia?
Good.
Do you like
slapped me.
Sorry, I didn't mean to.
Prosim, vržeš banano v smeti, prosim.
No Slovenci. She says you're very beautiful.
Oh. You? Banana. Trash. Oh.
Banana smeti.
Can you put the banana in the trash?
Ha! Typical Slovene. What? Don't touch me.
I found a banana in Tolminu. I asked a kind tourist to pick it up and throw it into the trash. He disrespects me and I throw it in his face. He takes revenge, but there is no way.
Action.
Over there is the most lovely mountain in Slovenia. Oh, you hold this.
You don't actually need.
Camera.
Camera ready?
Sound
Yes.
ready?
Action.
Okay.
Camera rolling.
Okay. 5 seconds of angriness. Neutral. Okay. Action. Okay, you like it?
Stop the video.
Okay. Ready and action.
Klanec se smejat.
Sound recording and action. Don't look at the camera.